Hi everyone! In this video, I am pleased to bring you a look at some new lip glosses that Deck of Scarlet is releasing. If you aren't familiar, Deck of Scarlet used to be a bi-monthly subscription makeup service where you received an eye and face palette every other month. But starting this year, they have become a monthly subscription box where they have expanded their makeup range, so you will not only receive the face and eye palettes at times, but you also have other makeup products like their lip glosses that I will show you in this video. A few months back, I also did a video showing their new matte velvet lip colors, so if you are interested in seeing those swatched, I will link that in the upper right-hand corner for you. If you are interested in Deck of Scarlet as a subscription company, or if you are interested just in these lip glosses individually, then this video is for you. Please make sure you subscribe by hitting that red subscribe button. Follow Allura Beauty on Instagram. The handle will be in the description box below. And of course, if you missed the last video, I will also link that for you to see. Let's take a look at the new High Shine lip glosses. So this is the box that they sent the 6 lip glosses in. They are lovely in terms of the packaging, and the colors look really cool on initial look here. Now the subscription is $29.95 a month. And if you sign up with the link that will be in the description box, then you will get 30% off, which brings it to just under, I think, $21 for your first month. And the way it works is that on the first of each month, I believe, you get to preview that month's contents. And if you like it, then you go ahead with the subscription and you get charged. If you want to skip it, if you're not interested, or for whatever reason you don't want a box that month, then you have a few days to skip that next box so that you will not be charged for it. So first, with the description of these new glosses, Deck of Scarlet says that these High Shine lip glosses deliver multidimensional prismatic pigment that makes a statement in just one stroke. The formula is supposed to be ultra creamy and glide on kissably smooth and never sticky. And what happens is that in your subscription box, you will get 3 of these colors. Those colors are going to be Splash, Champagne Dreams, and Dare Me. In addition, there are 3 other colors that if you wanted to purchase, you have the option on their storefront to purchase those individually. In fact, I think you can purchase any 6 of these individually if you wanted. Of course, it's cheaper to get 3 in the subscription box overall in terms of total price, but let's say you are only interested in 1 or 2 of the shades, or you're interested in shades that are not included in the trio in the box, then you have the ability to pay for those individually. And lastly, Deck of Scarlet is a cruelty-free and paraben-free brand. They ship to the US for free, and they also ship to Canada and the UK. So let's first take a look at the packaging. I really like the packaging for the lip glosses, and the matte lip shades are the same. They are sleek. You have a clear plastic squared tube, Deck of Scarlet on this matte rubberized handle here, and the initials of the brand on the top. So let's start by looking at these 3 shades, which are the ones that would be in your subscription box. This shade here is called Splash. Next is Champagne Dreams and Dare Me. And then these are the 3 additional shades that you could purchase. And this one is Violet Bomb, Muse. It's very interesting how this is sitting in the tube there. It's crazy. And Nymph. This looks stunning in the tube. The camera it took a long time for the camera to focus on this super glittery multi-chromed shade here. Oh, and in terms of the doe foot, it is a slanted doe foot applicator. It's got a pretty long slant on it too. So let's start with swatches on the arm, and then I will do lip swatches for you. The first shade is Splash. This is that translucent one. So this is a translucent gloss with reflective golden purple shimmer. Definitely more of a topper shade. Of course you could use it on your own if you wanted, but I'll try to show you swatches with this alone and on top of other shades. I actually love the way this looks too in the tube, the fact that it is clear and just has that tint with all of that shimmer. It reminds me of something that I would have used, honestly, probably when I was like in middle school or high school if I had been into makeup then, of course, before I had the experience to maybe layer it on top of something. Second is Champagne Dreams. This is a sheer warm gold with low level golden luster. Again, another shade you would use for a subtle shimmer on your lips or as a topper. And then this shade is Dare Me. This is a unique bronze base with high-level iridescent amber pink pearl. I'm gonna layer a bit on top. I feel like with this one too, you could use it alone or as a topper. And then for the non-kit shades, you have Violet Bomb. This is a high-impact violet with multi-dimensional pearl and metallic shimmer. Next is Muse. This is a flattering, subtle, peachy nude with low-level pearl. Again, adding a little more, layering it up. And Nymph. Oh, so pretty. This is a translucent white base with opalescent reflective pearl. Has kind of blue and green shimmer in there. Okay, so there are the first 3 shades in the kit, and then the next 3 that you can purchase individually. Very high shine gloss, mostly more translucent shades there. So here are my thoughts after wear testing these. The formula is very, very nourishing and comfortable, super plump on the lips, and will keep them moisturized throughout the day. And I agree that the formula is not sticky. The formula is gel-based, so you can kind of tell that in the texture and the nourishing quality. They also have a fragrance to them, and I can't quite put my finger on what it smells like. Sometimes I thought it smelled vanilla-based, other times I thought it was more bakery. I can't really tell what it is, but you do notice it when you're applying the gloss. The first 2 glosses included in the trio are pretty sheer and again would work as toppers or alone. I would have preferred in the trio to have more of a range, so one of them that was a clearer, more topper type shade, one of them that was that shimmering shade, and another maybe that had a lot more pigment. I will say that the Dare Me shade in the trio is absolutely beautiful. It has a multi-dimensional shine to it, but it's also extremely wearable. I think that it would suit pretty much any sort of skin tone, depth, or color. Although all of these shades have a level of shimmer to them, I didn't notice any sort of gray texture with any of them except for Violet Bomb. With Violet Bomb, when you press and smear your lips together, you will feel the grit of the shimmer. I wouldn't say it's super uncomfortable unless you're actively pressing your lips together. Otherwise, I didn't notice it. Another absolutely stunning color was Muse. It is like the perfect effortless nude that you could wear with any sort of look at any time of day or night for any occasion. And I also really liked Nymph, mostly because of the duochrome nature. It's still very subtle, but is not a boring shade. So there are Deck of Scarlet's new high shine lip glosses. Leave me a comment below, tell me which ones you like best or which shades you are most interested in. If you have already been a subscriber of Deck of Scarlet, let me know how you're liking your subscription, and if you are new to Deck of Scarlet, whether these glosses interest you. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you as always for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.